the next question on torsion. I am marking this question. Determine the angle of twist of MS, that is mild steel, stepped shaft as shown in figure. They have given the diagram. Here we have a stepped shaft, that is shaft with varying diameters. For 4 meter length, the diameter is 50 mm. For 2 meter length, the diameter is 20 mm. And we even have torque which is applied here in clockwise direction. T is equal to 200 Newton meter. Modulus of rigidity is 80 10 raised to 3 Newton per mm square. This is the question. They are saying to us to calculate the angle of twist. So now I'll write the data. In this data, I'll mark this as ABC, shaft ABC. Torque is given 200 Newton meter. I'll convert this 200 into 10 raised to 3 Newton millimeter. Modulus of rigidity is given 80 into 10 raised to 3 Newton per mm square. Next, they have given the shaft diameters. Now, we have to calculate the angle of twist, that is theta. So now, let us try to solve this question. Solution. I'll say that since the diameters are given, so first I'll calculate the polar moment of inertia. So I'll write down, since polar Mi for portion AB, portion AB is 4 meter in length and the diameter is 50 mm. So here polar moment of inertia for portion AB is equal to pi by 32 capital D raised to 4. Therefore, it is pi by 32, diameter is 50 raised to the power 4. So J value comes out to be in AB portion 613.59 into 10 raised to 3 millimeter raised to 4. Similarly, I'll calculate the polar Mi for portion BC. It is also a solid shaft of diameter 20 mm. So here this value comes out to be 15.71 into 10 raised to 3 millimeter raised to the power 4. Now the question is, we have to calculate the angle of twist. So I'll say that since angle of twist theta will be equal to theta in portion AB, that is angle of twist in portion AB plus angle of twist in portion BC. Therefore, theta will be equal to this angle of twist. We know that T by J is equal to G theta by L. So therefore, theta will be equal to T into L upon G into J. So here, instead of theta AB, I'll write down it is T into L upon GJ for portion AB. So theta is equal to T into L upon GJ for AB portion. Similarly, this will be T into L upon GJ for BC portion. Therefore, theta will be equal to, since the torque applied is same and G value is same material, so I'll take T and G as common. I'll write down T upon G, take it as common. So here I have length upon J for AB portion plus length upon J for BC portion. Therefore, theta is equal to, T value is given in the question. It is 200 into 10 raised to 3 Value of G, it is 80 10 raised to 3. Length of AB portion is 4000 mm because it is 4 meter. So 4000 divided by J, we have already calculated. In portion AB, the J value is 613.59 into 10 raised to 3 plus length of portion BC, that is 2000 mm, divided by J for portion BC. The polar moment of inertia is 15.71 into 10 raised to 3. Hence, if I calculate all terms here, I would be getting the value of theta as 0.3346 radians. Now, if I want to convert this radians into degree, I will be multiplying it by 180, dividing it by pi, so that I get the angle of twist in terms of degree. And hence, my answer in degree is 19.17 degree. That's the answer. So if we see in this question, if there is a shaft as given in the question, it would be twisted by a total amount of, this step shaft would be twisted by a total angle of 19.72 degree. And with this, we complete the question.